Welcome to JAMB tutorial online class. Today we are going to be looking at JAMB 2003 past question. But before we start, if you have not joined our live WhatsApp class, please endeavor to do so. And the fee is 1,000 naira for each subject, while 2,000 naira for use of English. Like I said, today we are going to be looking at JAMB 2003 past question. So let's dive in. Now this is question number 1. According to the JAMB 2003, this is JAMB 2003. This is the question we are solving. So if you look at this is coming from long written, theorem of long written. Now if you look at this root 2, the index of root 2 cannot give us 4. So all we have to do here, we apply change of base. So all you have to do now becomes to write log 4 divided by log root 2 plus log 16 divided by log 1 over 2 minus log 32 divided by log 4. The reason why we did this is because all these cannot give us the index of the number. So at this point, let's take the power. Let's put the index form. This becomes log 4 is 2 raised to the power 2 divided by root 2 is 2 raised to the power 1 over 2 plus log 16 is 2 raised to the power 4. This one now becomes 2 raised to the power minus 1 minus log 32 is 2 raised to the power 5. This becomes log 2 raised to the power 2. At this point, we carry the powers, will come down. That becomes 2 log 2 divided by 1 over 2 log 2 plus this becomes 4 log 2 divided by minus 1 log 2 minus 5 log 2 divided by 2 log 2. Now all the log 2 we cancel out. Then we cross out. So what we have, these 2 here, we multiply this. Here now becomes 4. Minus times plus is minus 4. So what we have here becomes minus 5 over 2. 4 minus 4 is there. We put this in there, so we give you minus 2.5. So this is the answer. This is question number 2. And at this point, this is number base. We are asked to multiply this in base 4. So all I will do is I will write this 213 base 4 times 23 base 4. So anything I multiply and it's up to the base, I will divide it and write down the remainder. So at this point, 3 times 3 is 9. It's more than the base 4. So 4 and 9 will give us 2, remainder 1. So I'll write down 1, carry 2. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2. That is 5. 5 is bigger than 4. So I'll divide it by the base 4. That will give me 1, remainder 1. The remainder, write it down, carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 will give us 7. 4 is 7 will give me 1, remainder 3. So I will write down the remainder 3, carry the 1. Since the 1 I carry straight up to the base, I will write it down. Now we use 2 to multiply. So 2 times 3 will give me 6. 6 is more than the base, so I will divide. That will give me 1 remainder 2. Write down 2, carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So I will write down 3 because it's not up to the base. 2 times 2 is 4. It's up to the base, so I will divide it by 4. That will give me 0, carry 1. That 1 I carry is not up to the base, I will write it down. So at this point, I will bring this down 1. This plus is 3. This plus will give me 6. So 6 divided by 4 will give me 6 divided by 4 will give me 1 remainder. So I'll write down the 2, carry 1. 1 plus the 1, that becomes 2. Then I'll write down this 1, base 4. So this is question number 3. So this question number 3 is coming from sets. The question says, in a class of 40 students, 32 offered maths, 24 offered physics, 4 offered neither of the subjects. We are asked to find how many that offered both. So all I will do is this. I will use my Venn diagram to solve. So I'm going to draw my Venn diagram. This is for mathematics and this is for the physics. 32 offered mass, I will put 32 here. 24 offered physics, I will put 24. Then my universal set is here. This is for the number of students in the class. We write it out here, which is the universal set. Then those that offered none is here. Then the one that offered both, we don't know, so we'll put it x because here is for both. Now I will remove this x from here, I will minus x from here, minus x from here. Why? If I minus x from here, I'm going to get mathematics only. And if I minus x from here, I'll get physics only. Then what I will get is the one that offered both. Now, all I will do is this. I will add everything inside this box and it's equals to this. So this becomes 32 minus x plus the x plus 24 minus x plus the 4 equals to the total, which is 40. Now at this point, let's add this. 32 plus this will give us 56 plus this, that is 60. Minus s plus s is 0. So what we have is minus s equals to 40. Now we carry the 60 over to the other side. That becomes minus s equals to 40 minus 60. Minus s equals to 40 minus 60 will give us minus 20. So minus we cancel minus, my s is equals to 20. So the answer is 20. Now, this is the next question, which is question number 4. Under this question, this is under standard form. If there's a standard form. So at this point, this thing means, which is this division will change to multiplication. That means this will go up, this will come down. So what we have now becomes 1 over 0.06 times 0.042 divided by 1. So if we multiply this, it will give us 0.042 divided by 0.06 bracket just by 1. Now let's put this in index form. If you look at this, I want to push from here. If I'm pushing this now, that becomes 4.2 times 10 raised by minus 2 divided by 6.6 times 10 raised by minus 2. Now, these ones we cross out. So what we have left is 4.2 and 6. Because of this minus there is here, this 6 will go up and this will come down because there is minus here, just like the inverse of what we have inside the bracket. So this will now become 6 divided by 4.2. Now let's put this 4.2 in a fractional form. That becomes 6 divided by 42 divided by 10. So this division changes to multiplication. The 10 will go up, the 42 will come down. So what we have becomes 6 times 10 over 42. So 2 here will give me 5. 2 here will give me 21. So 6 times 21 will give me 30 over 21. So let's break down. 3 here will give me 10 and 3 here will give me 7. So 10 over 7, if we convert it to decimal form, 7 into will give us 1, remainder 2, remainder 3. Add 0 to that 3, that is 30. 7 in 30 will give us 4, remainder 2. Add 0 to that 2 will give us 2. 7 will give us 20. 7 in 20 will give us 2. Then remainder 6. And if you add 0 to that 7 divided by 7, that means the value will be rounded up. So that means here now become 3. So your answer is 1.43. So this is the answer.